The Convair 880, a narrow-body jet airliner produced by the Convair division of General Dynamics, aimed to rival the Boeing 707 and Douglas DC-8 by offering a smaller, yet faster option. First taking flight on January 27, 1959, the 880 was marketed as the fastest jet transport of its time, boasting speeds of 615 miles per hour, 990 kilometers per hour. Despite its performance, the aircraft failed to gain traction, with only 65 units produced between 1959 and 1962. General Dynamics ultimately exited the commercial airliner market, considering the program a financial failure. Powered by General Electric CJ805-3 turbojet engines, the Convair 880 featured a unique fuselage design and 5 abreast seating. However, it struggled to compete with Boeing 720, which was more economical and offered greater market appeal. Additionally, the 880's engines were less fuel-efficient, further limiting its commercial viability. The Convair 990 Coronado, a stretched and faster variant, was introduced to address some of these shortcomings but faced similar market challenges. Although the 880 saw service with airlines like Delta, TWA, and Cathay Pacific, most aircraft were retired by the 1980s. Some were repurposed for training, private use, or unique roles, with a few preserved as museum exhibits. The Convair 880 remains a fascinating chapter in aviation history,